autofill and flash fill. My name is Sanjay Sharma, your computer teacher. Today I am going to explain about that what is autofill and how we do the practically. Okay, we are going to perform these two operations practically. Means that autofills we have already know about that it is the easiest way to fulfill the data in the MS Excel. Today we are going to see how the do the practically. Okay, now you all of you know about that how to insert or data in the MS Excel. How do the practical? Okay, click on the start button. How to open MS Excel? Okay, in the start button, see the MS Excel 2016. Here is MS Excel 2016, and we have to click on it. When we click on the MS Excel 2006, the MS Excel window will be open. Now see MS Excel window is opening. Okay, now see Excel is opening, starting the MS Excel. This is the way how we can open the MS Excel 2016. This is the MS Excel 2016. Now we have to discuss about that how to fill the data automatically in the MS Excel. And one topic is that autofill and second topic is that flash fill. These two topics where we are going to discuss in the this video. Okay, now see, okay, see here, and we have to click on blank workbook. Okay, double click on it, that's, and see here. Now MS Excel 2016 is open with the name book 1. Now here we are going to discuss about that autofills. First of all, take the any cell. Okay, I am typing the G3. Okay, G3. Okay, for example, January, January. Okay, this example is written here January, and place the cell pointer in the bottom of and right corner. Okay, this when the cell pointer place right corner, the cell pointer change into the cross symbol. See here, this symbol is cross symbol, and holding the left mouse key and drag downwards. When we drag it downwards, it will be, see here, the all the, okay, now release the mouse. When we release the mouse, now see here, this data is filled automatically. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. This is the way how we can fill the data automatically. Now here we are going to try the another one. That is means that how to fill the week's name. Means that if you write the Monday, 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 after writing the Monday, select the Monday and place the cell pointer corner of the this left right side. Okay, and see again this button is changing to the plus symbol. Okay, cross symbol, sorry. Now next, pull down. Okay, see here, pull down. When we pull down, okay, see here, now we can see that the data has been already, okay, see here. Now see, data is filled automatically. This is the way how we can fill the data automatically. Okay, now we are also fill the data automatically, and suppose that if you want to fill the 1 2 3, if you write the only one, and the data will fill up to the where data has been inserted. Means that if you write the one over here, and just we click on here. Okay, over here double click. Okay, when we double click over here, see here, this one is fill, and click on this button, and here we see that fill the series. When we select the date series, and the data will fill automatically. See here, 1 2 3 4 5 up to 12 have been filled. Means this is the second way to fill the data automatically. Now here I am going to use the number system to fill the data. Okay, write in there first one cell and second in the second. Okay, and now select these two. Okay, after selecting, place the cell pointer corner and plus symbol and drag, pull it down, drag down. Okay, see here, this data is okay. Now we can see this. Okay, now see here. Okay, I'm increasing this little bits. Okay, now see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 up to the 34 data. If you want to pull again, little bit. Okay, this is the way how we can fill the data automatically. Okay, now we are going to discuss about that, means that flash fill. Okay, for the flash fill again we are going to input the data. Suppose for example that I am putting the names, NANANES, names, and second is that initial, INTIALS, initials. Okay, now here I am writing the name SON, Sonu Kumar, KUMAR, Sonu Kumar. Here I am writing MOHIT, Mohit Kumar, KUMAR, Mohit Kumar. Here I am writing Binit, 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 Binit Ram. Okay. Now here I am writing Mohan, 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 Mohan Ranjan, RANJAN. Okay. Now we all know that how to increase the width of this. Okay. Now see here, and this data has been already written away, and we have to pattern. Okay. Okay, now I have written the 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 data has been written and insert. Flash fill is the pattern way, whatever pattern we follow and we initialize that pattern is followed by the flash fill. Okay, I am going to give the one pattern, that is Sonu Kumar, so SK. Okay, SK, I have initialized the pattern, and after initializing the pattern, place the cell pointer this just below the SK. Okay, and click on this. Okay, and here I am going to show you where is the flash fill. Okay, now see here, I am going to show you where the flash fill. See here, here is the flash fill. Okay, see over here, and this is the flash fill. Now we have already seen about that, this is the flash fill. Okay, now see, this is the flash fill over here. Okay, now see here, when we click on this fill. Okay, after clicking the fill, the drop down list will open. Okay, see here, drop down list will open, and from this drop down we select the flash fill. Flash fill is over here, and just we click on it. Wait, see here, when we click on it, the data has been changed. Mohit Kumar MK, Binit Ram BR, and Mohan Ranjan MR, and this Sanju Com SC. This is the way how we can initialize the flash fill. It means, okay, now I think that we have already understand that to perform the autofills and the flash fill, and these are the video about these two topic, and this is your last topic of the chapter 5, no sorry, chapter 4. In the next video we will discuss about the chapter 5. Okay, thank you student.